Are you tired of wasting hours on work that AI could do faster? In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that can save you time and maybe even make you money. First up is ChatGPT. It's like having a personal assistant. You can use it to write emails, blog posts, social media captions, or even automate parts of your business. Totally free. Next is Canva. It's a free graphic design tool that now uses AI to design logos, thumbnails, Instagram posts and more. You don't need any design skills, it does the heavy lifting for you. Got long videos? Upload them to Opus Clip and it will instantly chop them into short viral clips for YouTube Shorts, TikTok or Reels. A huge time saver. Then there's 11 Labs. This one. It's text-to-speech on steroids. You can create realistic voiceovers without recording your own voice. Great for YouTube, podcasts, or faceless content like this. Last is Notion AI. Need to organize your business or life? Notion AI helps you write, research, plan, and build workflows, all in one place. Like what you saw? Drop a like and hit subscribe. I'll be back with more free tools every week to help you work smarter, not harder.